Hi everybody! Welcome to the Unexpected Kitchen with Emmy Hertz's special guest and your normal host that you see every week, Sarah.
Hi everybody!
Chin chin! All right, so today we are making rapini
With sausage.
Okay.
Very easy dinner. No time to lose prepping. 1, 2, 3, done. Dinner it will be done in 20 minutes.
So we're gonna get started
Right now.
right now. Thanks for being here.
So
Hi
here we
Nadia, or Nidia. Hi
go.
Nidia.
Lydia, she's my friend. So I need you to come here. This is how I do it. I pre-cook the sausage in a little bit of boil water because I want all the fat to come out. And they will make much easier when you put it in the other fry pan. So this is gonna be, see, it's just a little. Look at all the fat. You don't want that in your stomach.
No, you don't.
So, and here we go. That's the sausage. Come with me, sweetie. We're gonna start cooking the rapini. Already been washed 7
Yum.
times.
7 times.
Yes.
Very thorough.
I like to wash it a lot.
Do you use a salad spinner after? Or just let it.
No. This is just a wash, and now you're.
Maura! Hi, Maura. Hi, Candace.
Here we go. You steam them for a few minutes.
So, is there salt in that water? Just plain
No,
water?
I like to salt it after somehow
Okay.
when I put them in
Hi,
this pot.
Tintin. Oh, I know who that is. Scott.
Anyway, so now here I am. You can see that's very easy to do. The sausage,
Oh, I had these the other
I
night.
like to slice it. You see, it's almost cooked, but not totally cooked.
Is it chicken or turkey or what kind of sausage?
This one is Italian sausage.
Oh, yum. Is everyone's mouth watering right now? Because I know mine is.
It smells so good. And it's pork. You can buy turkey, chicken.
Sarah
There's so
Candy
many.
sends her love.
Who?
Oh, Candy.
Hi, Candy. How is Chicago weather? It's very hot here today. Very humid.
So hot. We have our little
How is it
glass
in
of wine
Chicago?
too. How is it in Chicago, Candy? She says very
Very
something. Just very. Paolo.
Who is there?
Paolo. Very hot and humid and rainy.
Oh, horrible. I hate those days. Oh, God. So,
These are all the
you see-
veggies she has in her kitchen. Look at all these veggies.
Yeah, you see
and
the
fruit.
fresh garlic, onions, fresh pepper, eggplant. That I cook every day.
Danielle Thompson says hello.
Then when it's not running, by the way, that.
Oh, don't worry about that one.
So here we go. If you can see, this
gonna
is
go on this
steaming.
side.
See? A few minutes and it's done. You don't want to
Yep,
overcook them.
exactly.
Okay? But they
Nice
need to be
bright
cooked.
green.
And then here is my fry pan. I'm going to put just a little bit oil to cover the bottom. You know, I'm Italian. We love a lot of olive oil. But you can use avocado oil, any oil that you like. We like the extra virgin olive oil.
Yum.
And here I have the garlic, like I told you. I keep the fresh garlic that I chop and I put them in olive oil. So it doesn't smell so bad.
Sandra Connor says she loves you.
Thank you. Hi, Sandra. And I like lots of garlic on this.
Yes.
My poor brother-in-law, he will die right now. He hates garlic and he's so allergic to
How
it.
can you hate garlic?
My brother-in-law, he cannot have
Poor
it.
thing.
Yeah, poor thing. My
Rosanna Gambacorta is
Hi,
watching.
Roseanne. He don't cook enough.
Oh, Patrick! My friend Patrick came,
hi,
said
Patrick.
hello from Gloucester.
So those are ready. See? It took what?
Yep.
Not even 5 minutes.
You can kind of smell it when it's ready, right?
Yeah. You start to smell that. I love rapini.
Yep.
And I make those with spaghetti. One day we're going to cook it together.
That sounds good.
Spaghetti. Yes.
Yummy.
So this is almost done, guys. This dinner is gonna be done in 5 minutes. No preparation or nothing. I only washed that.
Oh my
and
gosh.
I chop a little garlic. That's it.
Yummy.
You can enjoy your company. Have a good glass of wine. By the way, let's have a little taste. Chin chin.
Chin chin.
And thank you for being here, Amy.
Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Chin chin.
Chin
La
chin.
salute.
La salute.
Nostra-
Arriba, abajo, centro,
Arriba,
adentro.
abajo, ¿y cómo?
Centro, adentro. All right, let's look at the garlic.
And look
You
at
don't
my
want to burn the
beautiful
garlic,
flower.
right?
Yes. Oh, can you smell it?
Oh, yeah. I love the smell of garlic.
Yeah.
Cheers, Mara.
Hi, Mara.
We love you.
We love you.
You're the best. Is everyone's mouth watering yet? Hi, Linda.
Linda.
Linda McNeely Ledford.
Oh, yes, from North Carolina.
Oh, hey, girl.
Hi, Linda. I love you. When are you going to come and visit? You and Tommy and your beautiful daughter. Here it goes.
So you make sure that oil is super hot when you put that in.
Yeah, but not overly because I don't like the garlic to burn.
Joan Vitucci says hello.
Who?
Joan Vitucci. Hi, Joan.
John Vitucci. Oh, John Vitucci. I can't remember. I have so many friends.
Because they love to eat your food.
You see, I don't want the garlic. You see, you cannot overcook this.
Yes. Oh, hi, Travis.
Hi, Travis. It smells so garlicky. My friend Sue, she will not like this.
I feel bad for people that don't like garlic.
But some people are allergic to it,
Yeah, that's true.
you know.
Joan is from New York. Maybe you're just famous.
Oh, yes. So many people, so many clients. Maybe I keep waiting down.
Yeah.
Who knows? But if I don't know the last name, I cannot remember because I know so many people with their first name. Did you
Travis, are you jealous right now that you're not
Look,
here
look.
eating the food?
You see the garlic now. You see, that's why you gotta put the sausage when I did, because that's ready already.
Oh my gosh.
So watch
the
what
smell.
I do. Watch. I don't even drain this. Watch this.
Oh wow.
Watch.
Okay, I'm gonna back up a little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah, yeah. No worries.
It's like
not
SeaWorld,
gonna-
guys.
It's not gonna splash. Because we do it slowly, you see?
Ah, okay.
You see, you got, this is an art piece. Watch me.
It is.
What? See, no problem, food. People complicate their life about cooking. Oh, I gotta do this. What am I gonna do tomorrow? Just
Yeah.
see what you have in the fridge and cook it. I have rapini because the holiday was here and I bought over too much stuff. So I figured, oh, let me use it. And it's a nice dinner.
Looks so good. Very healthy too.
Now I'm gonna season it. So here we go. Salt and pepper, not on the sausage, of course. I'm gonna just put it on the rapini.
Elvis is in the house.
Elvis, come for dinner, Florida. And your godmother still loves you. Come and visit me. Here we
I want to
go.
meet
Now I'm
Elvis. I've
gonna
always
put-
wanted to meet Elvis.
Now I'm putting a little bit of crushed pepper.
Mmm.
Done.
Wow.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
My mouth is watering.
No, I don't need to. And here we go. Look, Amy. See?
Oh, it smells so good.
But by you pre-cooking that sausage, all the fat come out. So now you're only gonna have here the olive oil and the garlic. So there we go.
Yum.
Okay.
You done?
Dinner. Voila!
Voila!
I'm gonna put it in a nice plate so you can see how nice it is. Let me take this out. Bring one of my truly plates.
I'll have a sip of wine while you guys are waiting.
I think they will deserve to go on a white plate.
Does anyone have any suggestions of recipes that maybe you want
that you
Sarah
would
to
like
cook
to-
at some point?
It would be great. That you would like me to cook. It would be my pleasure.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Presentation.
Now, this olive oil, I will use it all. Because you can serve this with nice Italian bread, French bread, or any bread that you like.
Travis wants to know if you'll make a bolognese.
Of course.
Maybe that'll be next week.
Yeah, it will take about 6 hours, but yes,
We could always prep it before.
definitely. We have to.
Yeah.
There's no other way.
Yum! Looks like a fancy restaurant.
Okay, so let's bring this here and people can see. With my beautiful flowers.
And her glass
Look
of
at how
wine.
cute in my wine.
Salute,
My friend,
everybody.
Enjoy this. This is so easy. You can do it in less than half hour.
Yes, Scott, I think she could use another taste tester. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. See you next week.
See you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.